Might ask yourself what I'm doing standing out here in the cold, in the rain. I'm waiting on a delivery.
Waiting.
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 Waiting. So I do that, and it makes my wife have to itch her nose. Just put my finger near it. It's a good time. The lighting is awful. I'm waiting on a delivery. Now, what am I waiting on a delivery for? Am I going to stand here and talk about nothing for 6.5 minutes like I'm known to do, and then lead you on and
They should see your knees.
my knees have nothing to do with this video. I had a motorcycle accident on New Year's Eve, and we'll leave it at that. I'm upright and well. If you were in the old thingamadoo that I told you I wasn't going to mention here anymore, that my original hardcore group of people will stay in that particular thingamadoo, and I'll make another one for the new people down the road. Anyway, what am I waiting for? God damn it, and I'm wasting your time. See, there's 1 minute and 16 seconds of your life that you'll never ever get back. What am I waiting for? Waiting. Nispy?
Nope.
Hey, look, now you can see me. I got my shiny new hat. Waiting. Still waiting. Waiting. Should I show him the brain? I don't think any of you will get that joke. Waiting. Do you know what it means to show him the brain? I would hope some of you motherfuckers know what it means to show him the brain. I won't be so lewd on the old lube tube.
On the dude in the dark.
It is pitch black, and here comes the man.
Woo-hoo.
It's only taken 5 days to get it delivered from Savannah, Georgia to Charleston, South Carolina.
100 miles.
Yeah, 100 miles. I'm going to pause this real quick. No shortage of rain or sirens in the background. Keep coming, dude.
Yes.
This right here, folks, is the first piece of the puzzle for us having a fucking homestead. Look at that big old sexy bitch. Looks like a Kenworth. There it is. Fuck. That's got a nice rig. Let me go talk to this man. I was mistaken about that man's truck. That is a 359 Pete that sounds to have either a big cat or a big Cummins in it. I didn't ask him specifically, but that's a beautiful truck. It's like a gunmetal silver, a little bit of metal flake in it. He's going to go down to the end of the block and turn around and back into this, the fucking abyss, and set it down from over there somewhere. Hey, Eddie.
Hey.
You're in the dark. Don't worry. Nobody can see you.
Good.
That's my neighbor, Eddie.
The party?
Are they going to be able to get that thing in here?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
They're just going to move it in from over there. What's funny is that you could talk and you're not at all on video because it's so dark nobody will ever see you. He's wearing a...
hat, your shirt though.
Yeah, he's wearing a sweatshirt that says Navy veteran because he is a veteran of the military in this country, and I thank him for his service.
Absolutely.
Got the Subaru going for light. Beautiful old Peterbilt. That shit's fucking amazing. Just gonna send that shit down into my yard. We'll find out. We'll see if this guy... No, I'm good. See if this guy can thread the needle. If he runs over my mailbox, that's fine. There's my container, man. Bring it straight back. You're clear up top. Straight back. You're clear. Keep coming. That'll work. That's clear of the driveway.
Yeah.
That's good.
You want any closer or no?
I mean, maybe like 5 feet. Otherwise, it's. I mean, you could leave it right where it's at, and I'd be all right with it. I got a land all in my driveway. Look at that shit. Hey, Aaron Miller, check this out. I bought that. I bought all kinds of things off the fucking internet, man, but I ain't never bought nothing like that. I bought that on the fucking internet, man. Sight unseen. Couple of pictures from a guy someplace. Fuck. That's fucking amazing. Well, neighborhood, you've been really fucking loud to me, so I'm being the loudest motherfucker on the block at the moment. Can't even see it because it's dark. God damn it. Look at that shit. I bought it Still working on getting it unloaded. Fair enough. Put the brakes back on the truck. Let it slide. This is fucking rad, dude. I'm so happy right now. You have no idea. So happy. That's a legit landau in my driveway. Like that's a thing. Standing out here in the rain for this. Yeah, walk that truck. Look at that. I've never done that with that big of a piece of equipment, but I used to do that with a flatbed when I lived in Phoenix and drove tow trucks. Fuck. I understand that process. Walk that truck out from underneath of it. Yeah. It's on the ground. Drive out from underneath of it. Absolutely. This guy's badass, dude. He knows his shit. There's a reason he's driving this truck, though. Like, that's a nice fucking truck. That's a fully restored 359P. Yeah, now he drives out from underneath of it. Oh, just fucking mint. Look at that fucking shit. At this point, yeah. Air up those back brakes, walk the bed back out from underneath of it. Absolutely. That's awesome. I understand what this man is doing. Look at the articulation on that trailer, man. Shit. That's a hell of an angle, and it's still hooked up to the fifth wheel. Fuck. Cool as hell. And it's on the ground, folks. There it is. It's on the ground. So I got the door open. There it is. Big old dent. See if I can't push that out. Otherwise, I might just cut that out in the future. Put a window there, make it a workshop. It's got wood floors. Wow. This is way cool. I own this. I could live in this, to be quite honest. Little hooks every little ways. Wow. There he goes. That man is a gentleman and a scholar. Yay, some more dark video. There it is. Can't really see it. I'll make another video soon about this and what I'm doing with it. But, yep. Look, if I go like this, and I hold the camera way up in the air and I look at the ceiling, I can see myself. So, look who it is.
Hola!
It's the flannel shirt lady. This is the only way I can actually see my face. And she's peeping through the door, but you can't see her. There's that. We bought a Connex, motherfuckers.
Woo!
That big old piece of shit just got dropped in my front yard, and fuck my neighbors. Sorry.
Yep.
Fuck my neighbors.
Yep.
Don't care.
What?
Like, share, subscribe. Lots of things are going to happen soon. You wait, you see. Haha, let's go to the mountains, motherfucker.